The recent takeover of NDTV by Adani and jailing of independent journalists who produced uh, uh, investigative reports, and the way press has been silenced, and more importantly, worst thing, our prime minister has not given a single press interview till this day after he came to power. This is a very disturbing feature that only shows that this government has no regards, has no respect for press freedom. So definitely press has been marginalized, and now sycophants have taken over the industry, as a result of which there is no independent journalism in India today. That is a very big blow to Indian democracy.